So if you're asking, are mold windows dangerous? Yes, they absolutely are. The mold spores cause a health hazard. If they get airborne and you're inhaling those, that's when we talk about you getting infections, and there being a lot of health concerns around that. So we want to look for signs of water, moisture, mold as early as possible and attack them right away. I mentioned if it's very minor, there's topical sprays, mold control that you can get where you just apply that to the outbreak and let that saturate, sit on it, kill the mold spores, and then you clean that away with a cloth. As it starts to take hold of organic compounds and get really widespread, you might be looking at material replacement. So that's where the baseboards that are in the bedroom, those probably need to come out and get completely replaced. We might still be able to use a topical spray on the drywall if it's just kind of on that painted surface. If we start to see that it's getting into the gypsum board material, we might need to take a section of that out and look at replacing that, just so that everyone in the home is happy and healthy more than anything. So mold is dangerous.